Genteal Dry Eye Care Nighttime Lubricant Eye Ointment. Product details. Dry eye can be itchy and uncomfortable, causing your eyes to be irritated. Help restore comfort and relieve dry eye while you sleep with the Genteal Tears Nighttime Ointment. Apply 1 to 2 drops of gel before going to relieve dry eye symptoms and to shield against further irritation due to severe dry eye. These sterile gel drops deliver long-lasting relief of dry eye symptoms with easy overnight use. Genteal's unique combination of ingredients can help provide relief of symptoms brought on by windy conditions, sunny weather, and/or digital eye strain. Shop the entire assortment of Genteal eye care product online or in-store at Walmart. Genteal Tears Severe Eye Lubricant Ointment for Dry Eye Relief. Long-lasting overnight relief from severe dry eye symptoms. Combination of sterile ingredients to shield eyes against further irritation. Nighttime protection from dry eye symptoms. Lubricant eye gel for severe dry eyes. Delivers long-lasting relief of dry eye symptoms. Sterile gel drops for easy overnight use for protection against further irritation or to relieve dryness. Instructions. General directions: pull down the lower lid of the affected eye and apply a small amount 1/4 inch of ointment to the inside of the eyelid. Ingredients. Active ingredients: mineral oil 3%, mineral oil 3%. Purpose: lubricant. Inactive ingredients: anhydrous liquid lanolin.